Hi, welcome to Engineer Investor. Today in Stock View, we are going to cover Whirlpool of India. As you know, that Whirlpool is a very famous company of home appliances, and their presence is in countries. There are different countries they use. Whirlpool is a very renowned brand in many countries. Yeah, as we see here about the basic, they are basically into refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, microwave, dryers, and purifiers. So majorly into home appliance sector, they cater to premium as well as middle class, ranges. And as we see here, the stock price high today is 979 and the low is 947, and 52-week high is 9,981, which is way higher than the current price. And the all-time high is 2,787, which is way higher than the 52-week high price. And the TTM PE is 34 PE against sector PE of 96, which is in somewhat decent valuation. This 34 is a bit overvaluation, we could say, because it should be less than, to be fair, it should be around 25, but it is 34 a little bit. So there is a this stock is going on a massive correction as of today. In the recent past, there were a drastic downtrend of the stock. I have just brought in how we can identify some golden nuggets. These kind of some bad news, some bad opinions will come about one company, which is a very known company, and then the price will drop like anything. That's the right time we slowly start buying the shares. So it's a value investing, right? On this price chart, as we see a drastic fall from 1000 plus. It was trading 1500, 1800, 900. Now it is 950, in that range it is there. So this price is now looks a little bit corrected and fair to consider one or two quantities. And on the public opinion, as we see here, Whirlpool of India, yeah, 100% buy. Most of the public obviously will say buy because it is trading at a very cheap price at present. You can see some of the comments. I think there is some reliance is involved in purchasing. Some talks are going on, rumors maybe. So if everything goes well to the stock, I guess it will be a good bet for a long term. And analyst opinion, as we see here, the broker research all saying sell. These brokers and peoples, everyone will start selling the panic button. So what happens, many of the big investors will start selling, booking profit, selling to avoid the losses. They will start selling. That is the right time for value investor to enter. And also at the same time, we have to be very careful on these stocks. They say falling knife, never catch a falling knife. But when the company is very good, and we know that this company can be turned around, in a long term, then it's right time to buy. No bulk buying, only one or two quantities according to our risk appetite. And analyst rating, as we see here, 25% sell, still 38% are saying buy, and the hold is around 25%. So it is a mixed emotions. And the revenue, as we see here, revenue is gradually increasing. There is no issues in revenue. As we see 20 against 24 to 25, we see 6,800 to 7,900. So that's a good, you know, good increment. That means improvement. Shareholding pattern, as we see here, more than 50% promoter, which is a good sign, and 28% DII, 28.5% DII, and 11.2%, 11.1% FII. This company is actually a multinational company, Whirlpool of India. India branches they have listed here in the stock. Actually, in US market also, this Whirlpool is trading. So we don't have to worry I think this car, they if they sell it to any other person like Reliance or any other big company also, I guess there will be some value revealing will be there. It will not be, full down, or it will not go for bankrupt or default. That's what I believe. But do your own research. Peer comparison. So peer comparison, as we see here, LG Electronics recently IPO has came, and it is trading around 1,500, and CG Consumer, PG Electroplast, TTK Prestige. These are all some of the competitors as we see here. And out of these PE range, if we see, all are high except this Whirlpool is the somewhat 34 range. All others are 35, 62, and 80. LG Electronics is under minus. That means they are not making profit, loss making as of now. So conclusion on this, stock is fundamentally good because with a well-known brand, stock is downtrend and in selling spree. This may be the right time to consider one or two quantities. Please make sure that you limit your buys. Don't buy large quantities. I have bought two quantities so far, in the past 1 week. And again, when goes down next week, I'll consider one more piece, one more quantity. Like that, we have to smartly build the this thing. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.